Francesca, and welcome to Nature and Rivers. This is the face behind all the videos and shorts that you've been seeing posted. I've been venturing on building a podcast. Watching nature and having a closeness to nature. With each video that I upload, I learn through the process and also my passion, which is watching nature. Almost want to always look and then video. It is very hard because at the same time of enjoying that particular bird or flower, you want to capture that moment so you can share it with a broader audience. This is what I hope that I am delivering on this channel of Nature and Rivers. I would like to have a bigger community. This video is an appeal to all that who watch it to please subscribe. That will help this channel grow. I spent many hours videoing and just exploring, just to see what is around me and what may be seasonally advantageous to explore more. Changes around the environment and especially around the river happen constantly. Today I was outside and at the corner of a scene I find myself looking at another bird. I tried to get closer and I did manage to get closer, and I found out that it was a baby night heron, black-capped night heron. I have seen another baby last year, and once you see these babies you kind of don't see them again the following day. So I try to spend as much time as possible at that moment to capture whatever that bird is doing. Today it was very windy, and it still is, and we have continuing wind gusts for the next day. I enjoy going and actually taking film outside in the rain. It's just experimenting and exploring ways of making sure that I capture that moment. The behavior when it is raining is slightly different. You get to see how the bird handles that challenge as well, and while you sometimes maybe see the bird just preening on a log, when it is very windy and raining, the preening becomes a little bit more involved, and it is very engaging when there is this element of wind and rain. I find it challenging, but it is incredible. When you come back and look at the footage, and maybe not right away, but a few days later you recognize what actually is happening with this bird. Sometimes you find out that it is injured. Will it sustain itself? How is it sustaining itself? And it is very intriguing to me. Most of the times on a river you're gonna find something that is injured. It might not be at notice right away to you, but if you look closer and take time, you'll find out that there is some sort of injury. I enjoy doing these videos, and I really hope that you enjoy watching them too. Your comments on this channel mean a lot to me.